Everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So in this video I am going to solve this reading passage, that is chili peppers, that was part of 29 June 2024 IELTS exam, and in next video I am going to solve this reading, the value of handwriting, that was also from 29 June IELTS exam. Okay, let's start. Let's do this reading, and this reading I will tell you every year this kind of reading repeats. Okay, so although it is too easy because last year also I had solved this reading, let's solve this reading and make sure you do practice with me. So here first type of question is complete the summary with the help of no more than 3 words, means fill in the blanks, and second type of question here we have true false not given. Let's start our reading with this fill in the blanks. Okay, so here instructions are important to read and understand, no more than 3 words and complete the summary. So to confuse you, they have given like that: following are a few statements given from the passage above. You have to take the answers from the passage and write them correctly, and this was also written, so some printing mistake is there. Let's do. And here IELTS reading tips and tricks for finding correct answers for fill in the blanks. Always just try to find the word before the blank and after, before the blank and after the blank. So here before the blank nothing is there, and here I can see these words, or you can choose the correct word, correct keyword, those will take you to the location. So here dash was the first European, so this is the word, first European to encounter chilies when he landed on the island of Hispaniola in 1492. So this is the best keyword to find the location. This is figure kind of word, 1492, and then this island also we will find, and then first European. Okay, let's read first paragraph. Chilies originate in South America. So I am looking for first European and 1492. So these words we have selected, these keywords, and let's read the sentence. Was the first European, and was the first European. Let's read it from here. Organized cultivation began around 5400 BC. Was the first European to encounter chilies when he landed. Who was the first? It means they may be talking about person. First European to encounter Chile. Okay, yeah, this is the name. Christopher Columbus was the first person. See, this same sentence structure is there. The word after the blank had helped. Of course, these keywords also. These keywords had helped us to find the location first, and then finding the location, we will try to match the sentence structure. Same sentence structure we have got. So, Christopher Columbus is the person name. We will write it here. Now, my second question, powdered chili, okay, is dash, and the mild capsicum and paprika can range 100 and 0. Let's find this word first, 100 and 0. So I can't see here 100 and 0, and even in the second paragraph also I can't see. So definitely you have to find the important keyword, that keyword you are looking for. So capsicum word is there, but no, I am looking for 100 and 0 word. So 100 and 0 word in the next last paragraph I had found. So let's read it. What powdered chili also we were looking for. Okay, so powdered chili is dash and mild capsicum. Same sentence structure is there. That's why I am saying that is the easier reading passage. Powdered chili is 500 to 1000, and the mild capsicum and paprika can range between. Same sentence structure is there. See, this is, so here we will write 500 to 1000 word we will write. This is also 3 words, one word, and the number also. When they give instructions, number and or a number you can write. Now third number, chilies originate in. From where chili originate in? So I think that was in first paragraph. Chilies originate in South America. So we will write South America. Now in this reading, like whatever we all trainers are saying, that these fill in the blanks or complete the summary kind of thing, you will get it in logical order, one by one you will get it. But here it is opposite. First question I have found it here in first paragraph, and this was in last paragraph, and this again in first paragraph. Fourth number, dash and scotch bonnet rare. Now again this is also figuratical number, this is keyword. Let's find these two things. I think this is also again in last paragraph, this 1 lakh and 3 lakhs. So and this person name was also there. Let's find what they are looking. Dash and scotch bonnet. Okay, so here in this paragraph it is written this was dash and scotch bonnet. It means we will write habanero. Habanero we will write over here. So I have started the thing with capital letter. Same if you are writing IELTS reading answers and IELTS listening answers. So if it is possible, please do write all answers in capital letter. Then there will be no problem. If you start your spelling with H small capital, then it will be wrong. Now fifth number, the reason for the chili's hotness lies in a chemical called. So chemical reason for chili's hotness. Okay, chili's hotness. So first paragraph we can get, yeah, hotness is here. And do subscribe my channel also. The reason for the chili's hotness lies in a chemical called capsaicin. So let's write this, capsaicin. The reason for chili's hotness lies in a chemical called capsaicin. Okay, now let's write this, true false not given. Next type of question, the reason for the chili's hotness lies in a chemical called this. So same question statement just we have read, I will just show it to you. The reason for the chili's hotness lies in a chemical called capsaicin. It means this is true. Okay, now seventh, the smaller chilies tend to be the hottest. Now if the smaller chilies tend to be hottest, then it will be true. If the smaller chilies tend not to be hottest, lighter, then false. And if they are not talking about whether this chili is hot or not. So let's find it. This paragraph we have done, and second paragraph also is left, and we are looking for smaller chilies and hottest. So you have to find the keyword like that. Okay, next one. The reason for the presence of is thought to be deter animals from eating. Animals feel burning birds. Okay, so next one is smaller chilies. Yes, the smaller chilies tend to be the hottest. It means same statement is given, tend to be hottest. So this is also true. Okay, now eighth number, the heat of a chili is measured in Scoville scale. Okay, this word we should find it. I don't think so they can change it, but here we have to find it. We have to find the location, because they are not following any logical order, chronological order also. Wherever they have read, they have given the questions. So here the heat of a chili is measured on the Scoville scale. So exact same thing is given, the heat of a chili is measured on the, so this is also true. Oh my god, every answer is true. I don't know what will happen in the next questions. Chilies originate in South America. Yes, that we have already read. Chilies originate in South America. Yes, this is also true. Okay. 10th number, the reason for the presence of capsaicin is thought to be deter animals from eating the fruit. Okay, so deter animals, when I was looking for in this paragraph, see this deter animal word is there. So that is the main purpose when you are finding the words. If something different word it comes across to us, then we can underline it. The reason for the presence of capsaicin is thought to be deter animals from eating the fruit. Okay, so the reason for the presence of capsaicin is thought to be deter animals from eating the fruit. Is exact same line they have given. See this. exact same line, so this is also true. Okay, 11th. Chilies became popular as soon as they were brought into Europe. Okay, now it's something different they have asked. Europe. Okay, as birds, I think in first paragraph. Europe word is here. Okay, now we will read it from here. After their introduction to Europe, they were immediate sensation and were quickly incorporated into the diet. Chilies became popular as soon as they were brought into Europe. Now decide your answer. So here it is given after their introduction to Europe means these chilies they are talking about. They were an immediate sensation. Immediate here means as soon as they were brought into Europe and were quickly incorporated into. So this also seems to be true answer. Okay, next one. Capsicum causes significant damage to the mouth. Okay. If capsicum causes significant damage to the mouth, then it will be true. And if some different kind of damage or no damage to the mouth, then it will be false. And if they are not talking about any damage to the mouth, then not given. So from here, let's read what we are looking for. Damage to the mouth. Okay. Capsaicin causes temporary irritation to the which are the pain receptors. Yeah, mouth is here and this word is also here. I will show you the location and the question. From here to here, please, here to here, please read it and then decide your answer. I will show you the question. See this, capsicum causes significant damage to the mouth. Here it is given capsaicin causes temporary irritation to that trigeminal cells, which are the pain receptors in the mouth, nose and throat. Okay, now here it is given significant damage, huge damage or important damage to the mouth. But here you decide your answer, then I will explain my answer. So significant damage and opposite thing it is given temporary irritation. So this is false. Okay, thankfully they have given false answer also. Okay, chilies can be part of a bird's diet. Okay, if chilies are part of a bird diet, then it will be true. If they are not part and parcel of bird's food, then false. And birds, they were talking about birds, nothing is there. So birds, yes, birds are there here in this. As birds, okay, only mammals feel the burning effects, birds feel nothing. As birds are a better method of distributing the seeds which pass intact through guts, capsicum would seem to be, okay, I don't think so they have given like that. In this paragraph they are talking about birds, but nothing has given about birds diet, whether it is part of birds diet or not. They are saying birds are a better method of distributing the seeds, something different they are saying. So it is not given. Thank God not given answer is also there. All large chilies grow high off the ground. Okay, so important to look for all also. Let's find large chilies and grow high off the grounds. The smaller chilies they have given, this may reflect the fact that tend to grow closer to the ground. Oh, yes. Closer to the ground it is given. And next paragraph. So we are looking for large chilies, high off the ground. So let's find large chilies somewhere. Here, don't think so large is there. The reason for chilies lie. So here they are talking about something different. Heart rate, okay. The reasons for the presence of capsicum is thought to be deter animals. So here also in this paragraph only they are talking about smaller chilies tend to be hottest. This may reflect the fact that they tend to grow closer to the ground and are next page. So next page says and therefore more vulnerable to animals. The heat of a chili is measured. Okay, so no given, they have not talked about large chilies ground high off the ground. All large chilies they are talking about, so it is also not given. People breed chilies for their heat. Okay, if they breed chilies for their heat, then it is true. And if they do not breed chilies for the heat and all, then false. The heat is also given. The heat of a chilies is measured on this. The hottest types such as this and this, nothing is given. I don't think so. No, this is also not given because heat kind of thing is given here. People breed chilies for their heat. No, nothing is given about it. Famous sauce, popular jalapeno. No, nothing is there. So we again, this is false. Sorry, not given.